So I wanted to share with you a cool accessory for your action camera. This is the Action Box Cine. And well, it's a great way to take your GoPro filming to the next level. Let me show you more.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name's Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. And if you're new here, don't be a stranger. I'll put links to everything down in the description so you can find it down there easily. And this is not an affiliate link. This actually comes in from a small startup company from Ulysses, actually, at Dragonfly Optics. He basically created this thing and reached out to me and asked me if I could share it with my audience. And well, here it is. The Action Box Cine. It's basically a matte box where you could pop your GoPro in here. And one of the big features is that it has this cover that also works as a matte box. So if you have any sun rays that are coming through, that sometimes they might shine on your lens and give like lens flares, you can actually cover that. And it's fully adjustable to get it exactly where you want. And when you're done with it, it's great because it can, protect your GoPro from the front and just keep it from getting scratched. And the other cool feature is that there's mounts all around here, like cold shoe mounts. And this right here is just a prototype. He's actually working on a full production model. And you can see in this picture right here, yeah, you have more cold shoe mounts and things like that. And I also like at the bottom of this thing, they give you the GoPro fingers as well as a 1/4-inch thread. That way when this thing is on, you can just easily remove your GoPro without having to undo the mount. Then, if you have the media mod, you'll know that's a huge pain. But there's also this little box that's basically made for the 3.5mm adapter for microphones. So you can slide that thing in there, and at the bottom you'll see there's a little mount for that, so we can pop that thing on. And then you can plug it into your USB-C, and now you have a jack for your microphone. And then you can put your microphone on one of the cold shoe mounts, like this one right here on the side, and plug it in, and you've got a really cool looking rig right there. Like, that's pretty fancy. And guess what? There's even more. If you look closely, there is a variable CPL lens on here where there's a little wheel on the side and you can actually adjust and get the level of polarizer that you want. And if you notice up here, there's little magnetic mounts, and it comes with this little case where you have these little neutral density magnetic filters. So you can take them out and you can place it on your GoPro like so, and you can add motion blur and just make your footage look more cinematic. And especially with everything in place, yeah, you can get some really nice looking footage. And if you wanted to add an even bigger neutral density, you can actually stack them on top of each other and get some really crazy creative motion shots. So this is a really cool cinematic rig. It's designed to give you a little bit more options with your GoPro, have a little bit more fun with it, try to get creative and make that cinematic shot that you want. And so yeah, check it out in the description, and depending on when you're watching this, it might even be out for shipping, or it might still be in production. And that's basically it. I wanted to share this with you because it's a really cool patent pending product, and I know how hard it is to try to patent something, so kudos to you, Ulysses. And I can't wait to see what else you come up with and any add-ons in the future. But that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for some more cool gear coming up on this channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.